Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a tab layout in Flutter Android. Let's see the project structure. Here we have 3 Dart files: main, first screen, and second screen. Let's see the first screen.dart file. This is the import. This is the first screen stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _first screen state. This is the _first screen state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. In the body attribute, we have a text widget inside a center widget. There's nothing special there. Let's see the second screen. This page is the same as the first screen. See the code. Let's see the main.dart file. These are the imports. First, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to the default tab controller widget. The length is set to 2 because we have only 2 screens to show. The initial index is set to 0, so the first screen will be loaded by default. The child attribute is set to a scaffold widget. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. The bottom attribute is set to the tab bar widget. Here we set various attributes like indicator color, indicator weight, label color, etc. Indicator means a horizontal line that is shown below the selected tab. In the tabs attribute, we design the tabs. Here we have 2 tab widgets. Here we set the icon and text of the tabs. The body attribute is set to the tab bar view widget. Here we pass on our 2 screens, the first and second. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a tab layout in Flutter Android. Thank you.